Hey, in this video, I'm going to talk about the best tool to scale content creation. So yesterday I was watching a video, which I'm going to link below, by Ahrefs. I think that's how you say it. We've known them forever. But it was all about how to actually scale team, how to scale the content, but there wasn't a video that says what to do with that, right? So this video is basically that video. Once you have done those steps in that video and you're looking to publish said content, this is the best tool to do that. Welcome to rallymind.com, which if you watched the video before, a lot of what was being laid out in a Google Sheet. And what RallyMind is essentially an integration with our CMS that allows you to publish a bunch of landing pages, microsite sites via a Google Sheet. Here I am just scrolling, but again, you can see whether that's pages, content pages that are related to ads to landing pages, local pages, profile pages, and again, there's other examples of microsites. So I just wanted to quickly step through. Once you have all the content laid out, uh, and the teams have put together their respective, again, content, you can use a simple Google Sheet to publish. So here's an example of a Google Sheet, business name, whatnot. And again, the use case of the page microsite site can be wildly different. This is just a very simple example. But again, each row is essentially those content blocks on a page, which are then defined in the builder, the DevHub, RallyMind, whatever, builder by different variables. So as you enter in information into that specific cell in that specific row in the Google Sheet, it's automatically hitting our site builder to then publish that page or publish that site. That's it. That's it. The video can end here. Content creation, scaling content creation with a team, video below, scaling and publishing said pages, this video, this tool. The tool again is rallymind.com, where you will see you can easily publish a lot of landing pages for SEO, for paid search, whatnot, but following the recommendations of the video below. Boom, that's it. Thank you.